Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to unblock Payoneer blocked account so you can regain access and continue using your funds. First, check your email because Payoneer usually sends a message explaining why your account was blocked. Next, log in and follow the instructions to verify your identity by submitting documents like your ID or business details. After that, make sure all your personal and banking information is accurate and up to date. You should also resolve any pending issues, such as suspicious transactions or policy violations. Another important step is to contact Payoneer support directly and explain your situation clearly. Also, avoid using VPNs or unusual login locations. Finally, wait for their response, and once everything is verified, your account should be unblocked. Subscribe the channel for more videos.